Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do some partial embossing using the Trimming the Tree bundle and the Merry Melody embossing folder. So on this card, I did some partial embossing with the Merry Melody embossing folder, and I used the Trimming the Tree bundle, which is available till the end of September. The stamp set will be staying, but the dies will be going away, so make sure you take advantage of that before it's gone. So this is the Merry Melody 3D embossing folder. It's one of the 3D thick ones. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this in the embossing. I'm going to place this in the embossing folder, and I'm going to substitute one of the plates. Normally, when you would run a 3D embossing folder through, you would use this number 4 plate here. But I'm going to use one of the cutting mats, and I'm just going to use, I just cut this out of cardboard. I'm just gonna use this piece of cardboard so that it only embosses where I have the cardboard. So instead I'm gonna use a cutting plate, so number 3. And then I'm gonna put in the embossing folder with the folded side towards the roller. And then I'm just going to place this about over here on the side. And then I'm just going to roll it through. So it's as easy as that. So it's not, depending on the thickness of your cardboard, that will determine the impression on your piece of cardstock. So there's my impression right there. So it only did where the cardboard piece was, like that. Pretty cool, huh? And I'm just gonna get a tiny bit, and then I'm just gonna kind of rub off to get kind of the edges off. And I'm just gonna very, very, very lightly just rub over some of the notes to kind of bring them out a little bit. Just very, very slightly. And there we go. So it's partially embossed. And then we've just used a bit of ink to highlight the embossing so you can see it better. All right, now I'm just going to layer this on some Pear Pizzazz. And I'm going to layer that onto a thick basic white card base. So now I have my card base all ready. I'm going to stamp the large tree in Pear Pizzazz on the Pear Pizzazz cardstock. And now I'm going to use the mini machine to cut out the smaller tree, not the larger tree. I wanted the pattern of the smaller tree. I wanted the pattern, the stamped pattern of the larger tree, but I'm going to use the smaller tree to cut it out. so it gives it some extra texture there. So I've already cut out 3 trees. Now I'm going to stamp and cut out the sentiment and the decorations for the trees. So I'm going to start with the sentiment in Coastal Cabana. And then I'm also going to stamp this little decoration for the tree and cut that out as well. And I need a couple of stars. So the cool thing about these dies is there are multiple star dies. So I'm going to put that on, and then I have 5 star dies that I can use at the same time. Okay, so I've previously cut out the rest of the tree decorations, and I'm going to trim them. Maybe that's why it's called trimming the tree. So we've got our 3 trees here, and I'm going to use glue dots for the stars. Okay, so I've done 3 dotted and 3 straight decorations, and I'm just gonna trim one piece off the end of each of these. So each one will be trimmed. And then I'm just gonna add some adhesive to the backs of all of these. All right, so now I can add some dimensionals to all of these. So we'll put the sentiment up here in the corner. And we'll put this one in the middle. And we'll put this one on the side. And we'll put this one on the other side. Super cute. And then we'll use my favorite sequins. And there you have a partially embossed Trimming the Tree card. So I'm offering a card kit when you purchase the Trimming the Tree bundle, and it will have designs, supplies for these 6 cards in the card kit. Just go to my website and order the bundle using my current host code and email me and let me know that you would like this kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching this video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time.